Quatrain of Miss Brown, and it says, Powerful Personality Award. Erin Riley is quite likely the littlest girl in the bunch, but she packs a powerful personality that includes a wonderful sense of humor and a gusto for life. She can come across at first as quiet and shy, but she's quite the opposite when she's with her friends and filming iMovies about being a class clown or a courageous bystander. One of her friends described her as a rainbow of happiness. Her cheery disposition and precious smile are enough to brighten anyone's day. Her confidence in writing continues to grow as she recently demonstrated how to organize a piece of writing that flows easily and is entertaining to read. In math, she's the first to find the dollar word of the year. After assigning each letter of the alphabet a monetary value, Erin discovered that the word aquamarine was worth exactly $1. She took the initiative to make that discovery on her own time and impressed us all with her find. Keep up the hard work and soaring behavior, Miss Erin Riley.